Hello and welcome to English Words Pronunciation. Today, let's learn how to pronounce the days of the week clearly and confidently in English. Let's start with Monday. Repeat Monday, Monday. Next is Tuesday. Repeat Tuesday, Tuesday. This one is tricky. Wednesday. It's not pronounced Wednesday. We say Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday. Now Thursday. Practice it with me. Thursday, Thursday. Let's say Friday. Repeat Friday, Friday. Next is Saturday. Say it with me. Saturday, Saturday. And finally, Sunday. Repeat Sunday, Sunday. Great job! Practice this every day to sound more natural and confident in English. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more pronunciation videos.